another controversy that has been brewing for some days, but there was an answer for the ecosystem. A.R. Rahman's music took center stage at the Republic Day closing ceremony. 3 of his songs, including Jai Ho, were played at the Beating Retreat event, drawing national attention. My colleague Pragya is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Pragya, A.R. Rahman had alluded to some kind of discrimination that he faces in the country, and the opposition leaders had also jumped on the bandwagon immediately, training their guns on the center. But clearly here it was a musical but a very strong answer to those who were raising these questions, isn't it?
Absolutely, and this is also a manifestation of what the policies of center are. They do not discriminate as far as the art is concerned, and in fact the Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas has been the slogan and the policy of the center, and this is exactly what we saw yesterday at the Beating Retreat when Jai Ho was played. And this is, as many of the BJP leaders are saying, this is not a song just for for few people or just for a community, but it is a song for everyone, every citizen of this nation. And Jai Ho has been a very, very popular nationalist song, and in fact this has been played at many occasions, on Independence Day, on Republic Day, at various places as well, and people like it and people love it. So it has nothing, your artist religion has nothing to do with when it comes to people liking someone's work. Remember, there are many who had come out in the open when Mr. A.R. Rahman alluded that it was because of his religion and his community that he has not been getting work. Many of them has also cited examples of Bollywood stars like Shah Rukh Khan, Aamir Khan, who had been getting a lot of love from people of this country, and in fact all are Indians and everyone accept them. So just to say that, and many in fact had said that he is such a tall personality that he doesn't need work will come to him, he doesn't need to go and find the work. People love his work, and the work had been coming his way throughout. There are ups and downs in careers of everyone, but that does not mean that it has anything to do with the religion. Okay. So he had also faced a lot of backlash on this particular comment of his, but center has shown everyone today, and in fact yesterday when his songs were played, that there was no sort of discrimination whatsoever was at the heart and mind of any of those who are involved in finalizing the tunes, and also accepting everyone who are the tallest artists of the country.
Yes. So why jump onto the bandwagon? In fact, A.R. Rahman himself also issued a clarification. Even that didn't stop the opposition. Thank you for joining us with those details.